In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bypass Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator 15 days hold. The goal here is to set up your account correctly, understand Steam's built-in waiting periods, and reduce delays wherever possible without risking your account security. Start by opening the Steam app and logging into your account with your correct credentials. Take a moment to make sure everything is typed accurately. Repeated failed logins can trigger temporary security checks and slow you down. Once you're in, head to the top left, click on Steam, and select Settings from the drop-down menu. In Settings, navigate to the Security tab and choose Manage Steam Guard. Here, confirm that Steam Guard is turned on. This is essential for trading and using the community market, and it's the foundation for minimizing trade holds going forward. Now, a quick reality check on timelines. If you've recently added the mobile authenticator or changed your password, Steam applies protective waiting periods. Expect roughly a 5-day restriction for trading and the community market, and up to a 15-day trade hold for any trades made within the first 7 days after enabling the authenticator. These holds are designed to keep your items secure, so while you can't remove them instantly, you can avoid extending them. To help reduce or avoid additional waiting, make sure both your email and your phone number are verified on your account. Verified contact details signal to Steam that your identity is confirmed, which supports smoother trading and market access over time. After updating settings, close and reopen the Steam client. This refresh ensures the latest security changes are properly applied and recognized across the platform. If you're changing phones, here's a key tip to prevent new holds from being triggered. Don't uninstall the Steam Mobile Authenticator from your old device right away. Instead, keep it installed, move your SIM card to the new device, then log into Steam on the new phone. If you can't access your authenticator codes during the transition, use the help option within the app to regain access securely. Handling the switch this way helps maintain your authenticator continuity and avoids resetting the clock on trade holds. Follow these steps carefully, give the system time to recognize your trusted setup, and you'll minimize delays while keeping your account protected. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.